Top side's pretty ugly. Bottom side's not bad. It's a beefy bar. We'll have to get it cleaned up now. See how she comes out. So we've given it a pretty good polishing so far. Looks pretty good. This is just a rough wire brush on a drill. So it comes out pretty shiny. Obviously it's not going to be mirrored because I don't have all the equipment needed to make it mirrored. Or I could use elbow grease and take a long time, but I won't be doing that. I think it looks good rough anyway. Plus, a lot better than dirty, dark brown and black bullets full of sand and rocks and you name it. So, let's get it inside. Let's weigh it up. See what this guy weighs. Man, that's beefy. All right, guys, here's the bar upstairs. I am gonna leave it like this. Once I get a bench vise and the right tools, I'll probably make it mirrored finish in the future, but I like the rough look. Looks like a big old bar of gold, even though we know it's brass. Pretty cool. Let's get it weighed up. We know it's way too heavy for this one. Let's take a look and see what it weighs. Now, this is a food scale, so it only has ounces and kilograms. So we have 1.4, almost 1.5 kilos right here. And in pounds, 3 pounds, 3.3 ounces. Threes are wild. 3.3 pounds or almost 1.5 kilos right here. That's a beast. Again, I know it's not the prettiest bar in the world, but considering it was just a bunch of dirty brass that we made into this, I'll take it all day. Hopefully you enjoyed this brass pouring video. We basically took some old bullet shells or bullet casings and made a brass bar or brass ingot out of it, and that makes me happy. We'll add it to the collection and we'll be doing more melts in the future. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Feel free to check out a few of my other melting videos if you enjoyed this one. And as always, everyone, happy stacking, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.